Let me ask you something real quick. How come when some people start a business, it takes off, but then when others do it, they quit within the first year? Same tools, same internet, same opportunity, but completely different outcomes. And I'm gonna tell you right now, it has nothing to do with being smarter, richer, or more talented. If you're someone who's ever asked yourself, am I really cut out for this? Why does this feel so hard? Am I really doing something wrong? Then I need you to stay until the end of the video, because I'm breaking down what truly makes a business successful. This is the real truth that entrepreneurs need to hear. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so you never miss a video. My name is Stephanie McAfee, owner and CEO of Stephanie's Notarial Services. And here at my channel, we talk about business, the real truth, and what truly makes an entrepreneur successful. Let's get into it. In my honest opinion, what truly makes a business successful starts with you. Not your logo, not your LLC, and certainly not a website. Your ability to put everything that you have into something that you are building to be successful, and to truly believe in yourself when no one else does. There are gonna be rough days, but there are also gonna be amazing days, and both are gonna be a part of your journey. Let me share something with you that I read. When you are on a road to success, you're gonna have those people that just don't believe in you, whether it be close friends, family members. There are gonna be some people that wanna shrink you and want you to sound like your ideas are just too big. But it's so important that you remember who you are and stay focused on your goals. And don't let outsiders keep you from it. Running a business, it takes a lot of energy. There's a lot of structure, a lot of planning. It takes motivation, especially on the days that you feel like giving up. When I first started out in business, I wanted to give up so many times, but I had to think about my children, my family who believes in me. There's a lot of people that thinks that business success is about motivation, and that's not necessarily true, because motivation is so easy to run out. What truly carries you and what's gonna truly carry you is having discipline. You have to be able to show up when nobody's clapping for you, nobody's checking on you, and when nobody's holding you accountable. That's the difference between the people who quit and the people who succeed. So even on the days that you don't feel like working on your business, I want you to do it anyway. You're gonna be so surprised with the outcome. Doing this is gonna help you to form habits and keep you on track with reaching those milestone goals. Yes, business is hard, but the reward is so much greater. The freedom, the control, the ability to create a life that works for you instead of against you. And that's what truly makes it worth it. And let's be honest, we're all going through something. Financial pressure. I can't even get on TikTok without seeing an ad pop up for something that I may just want. Inflation, prices for damn near everything are through the roof. Burnout, uncertainty. I started out not knowing if anything I was advertising was gonna sell, but I never gave up. I kept going. I kept feeding my system, and eventually it flourished. We were not created just to survive. We were created to live abundant lives, and abundance starts with intention. Now, here's something that I really want to slow down and talk more about. Success is what you make it. It's not going to be what social media says, what society says, or what anybody else says. It's what you say it is. Success is truly personal. So let me ask you, what do you define as success? People ask me all the time, how did you even get started? The answer is simple. I have faith and believed in myself, and you have to believe in yourself. Whatever your dream is, better believe it's possible. My dream was to become a business owner so that I can take care of myself, take care of my family, and live life on my own terms. That's my version of success. Yes, it's nice to have nice things. Designer items are cool, but what do you truly want your success to look like is the real question. Real success is not about what you own. It's how you live. Let me be very clear. I'm not telling you to quit your 9-to-5. Matter of fact, keep it. Let your 9-to-5 fund your business dreams. Let it teach you structure, teach you systems, and let it teach you how businesses actually run. Use it as much training. We live in a commerce-based society, and if you don't have something bringing money into your household outside of a paycheck, you'll always be dependent on someone else's system. That's the truth. Going into 2026, it's time to shift our mindset. I need you to ask yourself, how can I make more money? What skill can I monetize? What problem can I solve? This is the year to build intentionally. If this video resonated with you, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to subscribe, I need you to like, and I need you to comment down below, what does success look like for you? And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.